Who said sushi has to be fancy and pricey? Let's make a healthy millet sushi right in your kitchen. Start by soaking the millet for 30 minutes, then cook with a pinch of salt and water until soft and fluffy. Now add salt, sugar, vinegar and some beetroot juice, mix well and keep aside. Prepare tempura batter with mixed flour, salt, baking powder and chill soda. Add veggies of your choice and fry until crispy. Place a nori sheet, spread the millet evenly, add fried veggies, sprinkle some sesame seeds, then roll it tightly. Slice, plate and impress everyone with your homemade sushi. Download the AnyFeast app for this recipe kit where you can order all the ingredients and try it yourself. Do check out the AnyFeast app for more such recipe kits.